There's a viral recipe that's popping off with 1.6 million views, and we're going to try it. Crab Rangoon Garlic Bread. Let's get started with 8 ounces of imitation crab. Get that chopped up, and then put it into a bowl. And then we're going to get 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a half a cup of blended cottage cheese. So just stick it in your blender to get it nice and smooth like that. 1 tablespoon of green onions, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then give it a good mix. Now we're going to get a loaf of French bread, cut it in half. Take some of the inside out. You don't want to hollow it. You kind of just want to take like that first layer of bread just to make it easier when we're putting on our crab rangoon. Make some garlic butter, melted butter, garlic pieces minced, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. Baste your bread with that garlic butter deliciousness. And now take your crab rangoon filling and put it right over on top of that. Do we see what we're doing? 2 incredibly delicious flavors combining together. Spread that crab rangoon dip out. And then we're going to take it another step further, and we're going to use 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Put it over the top. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to pop it in our oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and for the last couple of minutes turn it up to broil just so you get it nice and beautifully brown, just like that. It is gorgeous already, but again, we're going to take it a step further. I have wanted to try that Trader Joe's chili sauce, baste it on top, and it's a sweet chili sauce. It is so good. Then top it off with some green onions. And then there you have it. Absolutely delicious. Now I know why it's got 1.6 million views. It is so good, so easy to make, and fun. I absolutely love this. My entire family did. Give it a try. Go get that imitation crab. It is good, especially for recipes like this. Go get it and make it.